I use this Super Grow in my chicks. Since I started to use them, my chicks grow very well, and now they're turning 2 weeks 3 days. And then I use that Super Grow since their day 1, and then I use them 5 days. After 5 days, I'm going to use pure water. So I'm using pure water like this for some days. Then they're turning 2 weeks. I'm going back again to use Super Grow for 5 days. After that 5 days, tomorrow is the end of 5 days, which means I'm going to go back to the pure water to give them again. I'm happy because since I use this Super Grow, I never use stress pack or any medication. I always use Super Grow. Then I see there's a difference between stress pack. There's a difference between other medication because I always use Lasota and Gomara, a lot of products. But since I started to use Super Grow, there's a lot of difference, and I see my chicks are very healthy. And I thank you, Super Grow, because they made something for me which is very nice.